G'day and welcome back. Here we have our standard Slayer exciter running off our 2N2222 little 2N22 chip there. Sorry for that focus. There we go. Seems to be a bit dodgy at the moment. The whole thing's a bit dodgy. Anyway, what I'm going to show you is what I'm going to do is hook up this 12 volt little LED, and I'm just going to hook it up one side to earth, which will be probably the yellow, I think it was, yellow to earth. Here we go, and I'm going to hook up our black to the start of the Slayer exciter, and we're going to see what happens. And really, not much happens. I'll just show you the voltage on there, the starting voltage. So it's 9 volts at 110 milliamps. So it's consuming a bit, light's not on, nothing's really happening at all. Now what we'll do is, I've got to remember, yeah, that's right. I'm going to take the black lead off the start of the black winding and put it on to the end of the black winding there. And it's drawn a little bit more current, which you'd probably expect, but also it's lighting this 12 volt neon, which is not bad either. But there's something else I want to show you that's, I think it's pretty remarkable. So here I've got another yellow lead, which is just going to confuse things. I've got that going back to our transistor, and I'll show you where. So basically it feeds back to our collector. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to disconnect that. Okay, that's disconnected. And I'm going to use the connection here off the end of our Tesla tower. And instead I'm going to connect that to it. And our bottoms, this one here, that's not connected to anything now, but I want you to have a look at this. Have a look at the voltage. It's doubled, almost 9 volts, right? Remember our voltage is, what's our voltage? 9 volts at 106 milliamps. So it's not far away from the full capacity, but check this out. And there it is. That is super bright. That's fantastic. Have I shown you that one before? Anyway, that's as pretty bright. I reckon that's probably, oh gee whiz, that's almost full tilt at almost no expense. So I thought you'd find that intriguing. It's absolutely killed our induction there, but it's still, if we go over here, it's still, that's not connected to anything. And yeah, that one is, and as you can see, it's drawing, when I touch that to there, it's drawing from there, but it's still actually still oscillating. So that's pretty remarkable. Yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you later. In closing, in summing up, we've connected the end, this end, the top end of the Tesla tower to our base. I think I said collector before, I meant base, instead of the bottom. And that has made a huge difference, which is just random. So yeah, thought you'd find that interesting. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.